Hi guys, here's how you can make rose syrup kulfi. Kulfi is basically ice cream. It is very popular frozen dessert. Grab some rose syrup, mix in rose syrup with milk. Now add chia seeds and mix. Add milk powder, condensed milk, and a pinch of salt, and blend it. After you blend, the consistency should be pretty thick. Then you can pour in any mold you wish. Leave this in a freezer for at least 8 hours. And it's ready. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, then comment below, and if you are new, then subscribe.